Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discuss about few more options in declarative pipeline part 3. Okay, let's see. First one, post-build declaration. Post-build declaration is nothing but if you remember, like inside the Jenkins job, we have a post-build actions, right? Same thing here. You can define the post-build declaration. In this post-build declaration, we can define either pipeline level or stage level also. Okay, each stage, if you want to use post option also, you can use it. Okay, and then here we have multiple option conditions is available inside the post-build declaration. First one, always. Always means whether the particular job is complete, succeed or fail, doesn't matter. This particular if you mention the always, the particular post session will be always run. Okay, always the particular post-build session, post session will be always run. Next one, if you change means previous build and current one. If you made any changes, if you want to get that, if you want to run the particular post session, you can use the changed option. Okay. Third one is we have a fixed. Fixed means earlier build was failed. After that, you made some changes and you fixed it. Okay. If you want to run this particular post session, you can use fixed option. Okay. Using the fixed option inside the post build session. If you use this one, earlier failed and now it is resolved and it is successfully completed, then you will get that if the particular post session will be run. Okay. And next one is regression. Regression means execute only if current execution fails, aborted or unstable. Previous was successful, and if previous build is success, then current build only either it is failed or aborted or unstable. Then if you want to run this post session, we can use the regression option. Okay. There are other few more also. Aborted. Aborted means you have aborted either in enter pipeline level or stage level. Okay. If you want to run that particular post session, we can use the aborted option. Okay. Next one, failure. Failure means if the particular pipeline, either pipeline level or stage level, the particular build is failed. If you want to run the particular post session, we can use the failure option. Okay. Next, success. Success means either the particular pipeline or stage level, if it is succeed. If you want to run if you want to define anything, you can use the post session. Okay. Next one, unstable. Unstable means if the particular job or the particular pipeline or stage level, the job is unstable. Unstable is nothing but the particular job is keep on running. Example, the job should be complete within 3 minutes, but it is still keep on running. It will go to the unstable mode. Okay. Next one, example, if you see here, I'm using post session, open, close. I'm always means whether the build is fail or success doesn't matter. It is always run. It is showing congratulations, successfully run the Jenkins job. I have given echo, congratulations, successfully run Jenkins job. Okay, got it right? We can define like this. There are a lot of things aborted, failure, success, unstable. Based on condition will be used option. Okay, I hope understand it. Post session, how you can define. Next one. Coming to the triggers declaration. Triggers declaration is nothing but the particular job when you want to run. Okay, whether it is when the modification is done in code, if you want to run the build, if you want to do it, you can use the triggers option. If you remember, inside the Jenkins job, we have a build periodically, pollSCM, and also webhook, right? Same thing. Instead of configuring Jenkins job level, we can directly configure in pipeline also. Inside the Jenkins file, we can use this triggers option. We can define. Example, cron is nothing but in the Jenkins job we have a build periodical, right? Same thing here, we can use the cron tab. Okay, using this cron option. Okay, if you define every 5 minutes, okay, it means whether the code changes will be there or not doesn't matter. It will be run every 5 minutes. It will be run with every 5 minutes. And if you define the pollSCM, if you remember for what is the uses of pollSCM, even though if you define inside that Jenkins job, okay, particular time, if there is no any changes in the particular repository, okay, inside the GitHub repository, the job won't be triggered. If any made changes in between 5 minutes, it will be triggered the job. It will be check every 5 minutes. Okay, got it right? Next one, the pipeline will be re-triggered if the changes is detected. Okay, if any changes is detected in the particular GitHub, it will be run. Otherwise, it won't be running. Okay, upstream job is nothing but before running this job, if other jobs needs to be run, okay, if you want to define like that, you can use the upstream job. Okay, if you remember, we use the upstream job and downstream job, right? Upstream job, if you remember, I have defined one job sample project and Murali project new. Okay, what the particular sample project is complete only, Murali new project will be automatically trigger, right? Same thing if you want to define like that, you can use the upstream job. Okay, upstream option. Simple, take the example, you will get more idea. Coming to the cron, we can define like this: pipeline, agent, triggers. Inside the triggers, I'm declaring cron h by 5, remaining 4. Corrected? Minutes, hours, total we have 5, right? We have declared. Remaining I have given the stars, mean always. Every 5 minutes will be run. If you use the cron option, okay, even though whether the changes will be there or not in GitHub, doesn't matter. Not only GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket, okay, doesn't matter. It is automatically run that particular pipeline if you use the cron option. Okay, in case if you use pollSCM, if you use pollSCM, I have given pollSCM h by 5 star. It means every 5 minutes will be run. If you mention like this, if any modification is there in the particular GitHub or Bitbucket or GitLab, then this Jenkins pipeline will be triggered when you use the pollSCM. If there is no any changes in that particular in between 5 minutes, again it will be checked again 5 minutes. If there is no any changes, okay, the job won't be triggered. When you use the pollSCM, if you made any changes in the particular repository, then only the particular Jenkins pipeline will be run, execute. Okay. So if that is the case, we will use the pollSCM. Okay. Next one, upstream job. Upstream job, if you observe here, I have given pipeline open, close, agent, and triggers. Inside the trigger, I used the upstream job. Upstream job, I have mentioned example job 1, job 2. This particular job 1 and job 2, if the both jobs will be succeed only, current job will be run. Okay, if you can define like this: upstream job, both job 1 and job 2, if you trigger, it is success only. I have given here the results dot success. The success only, current job will be run. The current pipeline will be run. If you want, you can define like that also. Okay, this upstream job we won't use in Jenkins pipeline. Okay, we may use cron tab, cron option, or pollSCM. And also, as I said, like we have a webhook, right? Webhook directly in defining GitHub repository level. We won't define this here in inside the Jenkins file. Okay, I hope understand, right? Any question? No, right? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. And one more thing, I'm going to show you the demo, each and every part. As of now, we saw that part 3, right? We will see everything in demo part. You will get more idea. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.